How to fix Life360 location not updating. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Life360 on your device. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen or top left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on the gear icon, click on location sharing and make sure it's turned on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you've done that, and if it still does not work, what you can do is open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on location and make sure your location is turned on in your device. After you have done this, another thing which you can also do is hold on to the Life360 app in your home screen and then press on App Info at the top. Here, click on Advanced and then click on Battery. Then, simply click on Intelligent Control. It will automatically adjust battery so that your location won't be turned off. Then, go back and go to Permissions. After you go to Permissions, click on Location and make sure it's Allow all the time. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to fix Life360 location not updating. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.